Hey, Billy Kane here with A Plus Windows. Today we're going to shoot another episode of Getting Real with Bill. As you can see here, we got a little setup going on. We've got these infrared heat bulbs here. They're both the same wattage, the same bulbs, and they've been setting for about the exact same time behind these two windows. As you can see here, one window is a single pane glass that you may have in your home, and the other is the Okna 800 series window with a dual pane glass with argon. The purpose of our little test today is to demonstrate to you, a potential buyer of replacement windows or thinking about replacement windows, how effective are they really. So we're just doing this is not a scientific test. I'm not a scientist. I'm not really a researcher or anything. I'm just somebody with an infrared thermometer, a digital infrared thermometer, and we're going to see how good this works. It's just, like I said, we're getting real with Bill. As you can see, I got my stuff set up on my cardboard trim boxes and 4x4s. Well, let's get right to it. Okay, so I'm going to shoot this first one here. This is the single pane glass, and let's see what the temperature is going to be on that. I'm going to simply pull the trigger. Let's see. Great day. My little thing's flashing there. It's 280, 278, 280, right in that range. Okay. So next we're going to go over here to the Okna 800 series with the low E argon gas in it. The argon gas, by the way, in windows it's not a poisonous gas, it's an inert gas, but it's a very heavy molecule. Therefore, the conductivity of heat is greatly reduced. It really works great. Let's go over here and put the thermometer on it, and the proof's going to be in the pudding, right? So let's see what we got over here. As you can see, same distance away. Let's pull the trigger. Let's see what we have. Oh boy, great day. It looks like we're about 113, 117, 120. Still going up. Looks like it kind of, it's right there, like a 123 here. All right, let's go back over here. Like I say, this one here was about 270, I think it was. Yeah, great day. So anyway, you get the idea. We're at 270 here. We're at about 130 over there. So as we can conclude without question, according to the digital thermometer, the dual pane window with the low E and argon is about at least twice effective as a single pane glass. You know what that means? That means it's going to save you a lot of money on your heating and cooling costs. Your air conditioning heating equipment is going to probably last longer. Not only that, you're going to eliminate them hot spots in your home, them cold spots. So it's going to increase, hopefully, your quality of life in your home. Hope this helps you a lot. Again, getting real with Bill. Thank you.